Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here. I thought I'd let you in on a brand new update that Google Drive has now added. They have started to add the ability to be able to comment into Microsoft Office files, PDFs, and images without having to convert them into Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides format. And you can do this from the preview screen and preview pane mode. So to show you, let's give you an example here. Let's say, for example, I've got this text document training example and it's in Microsoft Word. I've shared it out with my client who is not on Google, and I can see I've got my share icon on that document to whom I've shared it with. Now, I need to maybe make a comment regarding this contract or whatever type of document it may be. I can go into preview mode. So I'm going to click on the upper right corner, the preview mode button, and it takes us into the preview mode screen. Now with this, you'll notice in the upper right hand corner there is now an add comment feature, and I can go to the document, click on the document where maybe I want to grab some text, go to my comment icon out to the right or up at the top right, and I can make my comment just like I would within my docs, sheets, or slides. I can make a blanket comment like please explain or whatever it may be and comment this way. I could also grab some different information from wherever it may be on our file. Maybe I want to review this titling, but I want to assign it to someone. Just like within Google Docs, I can use my plus symbol. I'm going to type in Gary's name. I'm going to assign it to him, and I'm going to say, let's review this title of the doc, and assign. So you've got a couple of different ways of assigning those different things in terms of comments. Now here's where the neat part actually kicks in. Remember when I said in the beginning, my client does not have Google. However, since this is in Word format and I've shared it with that person, they will be able to see these comments on this document that's in Microsoft Word format when they open it up with Microsoft Word. So it's a really nice piece, and like I said, you'll be able to do this with Microsoft Office files, so that's Excel, Word, PowerPoint, as well as being able to work with PDFs and even images. So you can now select that text and make comments. Now just as a quick heads up, there's a couple of other things that may be changing for you as well, such as users with can view access to MS files will start seeing any comments added after the launch of this change, but they will not be able to reply to those comments or create new comments. MS Office files with comments added before this change, as in using the Google Drive API from maybe an older version of this feature, will not be affected. And lastly, comments, action items, and suggested edits in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and drawing files will continue to remain visible to users with can view access. Also, in addition to making and replying to file level comments while previewing a file in Google Drive Preview, users can now make new inline comments. For example, drawing a rectangle on a PDF or a PowerPoint or image file and make an anchored comment. Select a sentence in an MS Office Word doc or PowerPoint doc or PDF file and make an anchored comment, similar to comments in Google Docs, and select a cell in MS Office Excel and make a cell-based comment. So I hope you'll enjoy this new feature to be able to comment within Microsoft files, PDFs, and image files from your preview mode of your Google Drive. Thanks everyone, and have a great rest of your day. And until we meet again, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.